Okay, this is my last chance. I'm almost at it. If not, I can't. Okay. Secondly, I'm gonna put this. Can you see it? It's more clear right here. Spikes around it. There's 5 dots. Yeah, 4 dots around, but across the junk, you have to cross in the middle. Yep. Then I'm gonna take this. It's long. It's across. And then you see this has a middle, right? You never knew that. I'm gonna put it too, just like killing it. Yeah. Well, you can hack stuff with this axe thingy. Yep. Yeah. Well, my real face is not like this. My real face is like this. Yeah. I'm gonna take this peach piece. You know, for anywhere in the 4 dots? Yep, I didn't say somewhere. Yeah, now it's like this. Just like cutting a circle. Well, you're gonna take the one of the black ones. It's tiny, I can barely get. And you're gonna do this. Then the last of this long one that I'm using. Okay. Yeah. I am a chicken little. Okay. And now I'm gonna use this. Okay. And you see this? There's 5 holes in it. And it's curved at the edge. You're gonna put, you see this? The thing that in the middle? Gonna put that there, right? You take this. And then you're gonna take this again. No, it's the first time. This, another, and then this weird looking piece. Yeah. Let's stick it. And then another block of this, which is taking forever. You're gonna stick like this. And then you see this? Yeah. At the end, right here. And then you see? You push this on this one. In. Out. Now it can go like this. It's kind of blurry though. My arm hurts. Well, you're not worrying about that. I am. Okay. You need this at the end of their cross piece. Here's like a circle one. And you see this one, you're gonna make it at the side like like that. My name is Marcus, because we're Uncle to Johnny. Call me Marcus, okay? Yeah. Ow, my arm hurts still. That. Hey. Get out of the way, dude. Yeah, I am supposed. Yeah, this. Then you take one of this. And I need this thing for the first time. And now this. This is the 3rd time. Yeah, and now I'm gonna use this thin piece that doesn't have any hole in it. And now I'm gonna stick like this. And then this in. like that. Then you see this. I'm gonna stick it. Yeah. And now I'm taking this small piece. I'm gonna put it right here. Ah, I'm so dumb. Take these. This again. My last one is in. You see. Yeah. Then you take this black piece long, has 7 holes in it. 2 more than the yellow one. Well, you take this yellow piece, put it there. Now you need this. Yeah, this blue kind of weird thing. And then this white thing, the last one. And then I'm gonna take the light one. Yeah, it has like a normal logo at the front. You see? Now you can see. Now the light bulb, normal logo, you put it on. I did it. Look, like this. Then you put it up. You know the one that touches the yellow part. Then you take this, a normal yellow piece that is crossed, and you put this gray thing, and then you put it right here, right? And then you have this the same thing. Now it's time for wheelie. And it's a wheel, right? Yep. It's a wheel. Definitely a wheel. It's a wheel, yeah? You see this gray thing? The gray one. You put this one instead of this one. This one instead of the other side. Okay, this, you see that? Yeah, you put it off the gray. Yep. No, whenever this goes, the mining hacker axe hammer thing moves. Yeah. And again, another wheel, because it's a motorbike. Yeah, you see? Same thing. And you put the same place. Parts, right? The same place. And then you take this. You see this gray piece? This dark gray piece? You put it at the gray. And then the light gray, you see the light gray? You put it on the yellow. Yeah, you always have to use the yellow. You see the yellow? It has a cross though. It has a cross. And this, the same thing. You put it on. And now there's only 6 pieces left. Now there's 5. Because I took this long piece that has 9 holes in it. Yeah, I stick like this all the time. And you see, another spiked one, but with just across it, without the 4 holes. I put it at the back one, and at the front one. Yeah. You just need 4 pieces. Okay, you see, you take this on, and okay. I made this one. I did this one. Okay, you take this. Okay, you see that? Stick it right there. And now you see that? See this? You stick it on. You see this? And this? Like that. It's not straight though. You make it straight. Then you push it in. And then like that. And now it works. Look, stop motion. Okay, you can't see. Take a touch the ground. No, I can't. It's too high. Now this one is like this, but I need to loosen it. You know, now it works.